Thanks very much for purchasing our bent table lamp. Wanted to just show you how to assemble the lamp. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just lay everything out on a flat surface. So the main part of the assembly is taking the stud, which has a ball screwed onto it, and attaching that to the base through the hole. And the sides of the lamp itself just fit into the base. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is unscrew that ball. You just want to make sure when you get it off that you place it on a flat surface. It will roll away from you. So now you're going to get the lamp close to the position that it should sit. You're going to get the stud through and then place it flat on the surface. And the idea here is basically just to get the bent wood part flat into the part of the base that it sits. So you take a little bit of wiggling around, and you're going to just continually try to move that until they tighten up as much as they can. So it's just going to be hand tight, so you can't over tighten it. So in threading the ball onto it, you want to be very careful starting it. It should not be hard to turn at all. If it's hard to turn, you are probably cross-threading it, so be careful in getting it set. And then once you do get it in position, you're just going to kind of wiggle things around a little bit to make sure you take up all the slack in between those two pieces. It's something that's hard to see, but easier to feel. Once they become solid, the next thing you're going to do is put the shade on. So on the socket, there's a ring. This is a Uno type shade fitting. So you're going to unscrew that, and the hole in the top of the shade will then go up on the fitting, and then that ring goes back in place in order to hold the shade. What I usually like to do is there's a seam in the lampshade. I usually like to place the seam in whatever I'm determining to be the back, so away from the front of the viewing side. At that point, you'll be able to put in the bulb and give it a test. If you have any problems or questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Call or email, and we'll help you through it. Thanks very much.